Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this O-Cedar Flex and Catch Heavy Duty Dusting Kit and the Swiffer Heavy Duty Dusting. So they both have these dusting pads you're going to put on the ends of them. They both extend 3 feet long, but let's take a look at the O-Cedar. It's flexible. So here we have the dusting pad is on both sides. You open it up and then you're going to have to hook that little hook at the end. So just push it in. Goes in real easy. And then find that little hole. And you do want to hook it or it could come off. Now, it's flexible. That's actually a pretty nice design. I can rotate this, whatever position, and then I can extend it. Now let's go on to the Swiffer. Again, it's got a little button up here. I can rotate this. This is not super flexible. It's a little bendy. Now putting these on Swiffers on can be a little more tricky, but there is no hook or anything. They just slide on with friction and stay on. So kind of find the opening. Yeah, there it is. I'm sorry. So there it is. There's where you slide those two in. Again, I find this to be just a little trickier, but it stays on. There. Now it's on. I can extend it also. I can do different levels, but it's not flexible, too flexible. It's a little flexible, but nothing like, the O-Cedar is definitely flexible. You can see the O-Cedar is a little bit longer, but I think the Swiffer is kind of thicker, maybe a lot more area to trap dust in. Whereas here's the O-Cedar. Okay, let's try them out. First, here's the O-Cedar. Yeah, it's doing a good job. All right, now let's try the Swiffer. It does a good job too. It just kind of a little bit different how it does it, but it does a good job. We can do blinds. We can do blinds with both of them. Here's the O-Cedar. It does blinds very well too. Kind of can go in some crevices up top. I kind of like that flexible thing. So a little bit different how they work, but they both do a good job of getting the job done. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.